In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about webhooks. It allows you to send data in real time from one application to another whenever a given event occurs. At Qualifio, webhooks are triggered at the end of campaign participation. The idea is to make all the participation data collected automatically available and send all at once. To do this, we use a structured payload sent in a JSON format to a unique URL. This envelope contains different types of first and zero-party data, answers to questions from the questionnaire, information available on the exit screen, like personality test results, form fields, and technical data related to the campaign or the participation itself. This integration is available from the day you subscribe to Qualifio with no actions required on your side. Your IT team can start working on the project even during the commercial discussions, thanks to our documentation. This option is absolutely the best option in terms of optimizing time to market. The new version of the webhook includes all types of data that can be collected via a campaign, including generated content like burn code, allocated gifts, and so on. You have the possibility to define the participation you want to receive based on the campaign completion level. Based on the standard payload, you are free to define how you want to feed your database. If your requirements evolve over time, you have all the tools in hand to make the necessary adaptations. This integration offers the possibility to set up a header name and value, as well as a secret to ensure the data delivered comes from Qualifio and can be trusted. This is a standard connection. The payload is fixed and fits all campaign formats. The payload will always contain all information available for a campaign. There are no business rules applied other than the campaign completion. An automated retry logic is part of the data flow in case your endpoint cannot be reached by Qualifio due to a technical error. Let me show you how to configure it in your account. To set up a webhook connection, go to the Settings menu, select Partners and the Integration, and click on the webhook category. Give a display name to your webhook, for instance, the name of your CRM tool. Define how you want to deal with incomplete participation. Add a URL to which the payloads will be sent when a participation occurs. And don't forget to use a secured address. You can add authentication to make your webhook more secure, like a header name and value, or a webhook secret. Click on Save and you're ready to go. Just don't forget to activate the connection on your live campaigns by using the dedicated Push Rules menu.